As the core of the group, Foshan Yiyan Precision CNC Equipment Company Limited coordinates strategic planning and technological R&D. Together with its two subsidiaries, Bojuyi and Yiyan Deshungbao, it has built a R&D, production, service full industry chain collaborative system. Through integrated operations, it breaks the segmented barriers of the industry and achieves efficient resource integration. Technology as the core, system as the foundation. Yiyan Precision has obtained ISO 9001-2008 International Quality System Certification and established scientific and rigorous quality control processes. The company boasts a high-quality, professional, and dynamic team of R&D and engineering services. It continuously optimizes internal management mechanisms, strengthens technological innovation and service awareness, fundamentally improves the comprehensive performance and operational stability of products, and injects reliable technical genes into every piece of equipment. Integrated intelligent manufacturing, full process control. Yiyan possesses full process production capabilities ranging from precision casting, mechanical processing, to sheet metal fabrication and complete machine assembly. Relying on a manufacturing system with precise matching of equipment, process, capacity, it realizes integrated intelligent manufacturing of the entire production line of CNC equipment, ensuring full process controllable, excellent, and stable product quality. Diversified products, empowering thousands of industries. The product range covers high-precision CNC lathes, such as double-spindle CNC lathes, live tool turret with tailstock machines, CNC lathe gang tool machines, turn mill composite machines, machining centers, drilling and tapping machines, and gantry machining equipment, supporting the customization of special machines and automated equipment. Currently, it has established stable cooperative relationships with well-known enterprises such as Midea, Gree, and BYD, and has won wide market recognition with excellent product performance. The products are widely used in electronics, automotive, aerospace, military, and other fields, gaining market trust through outstanding performance. Leading the future with intelligence, forging ahead together. Yiyan will continue to deepen the integrated solution of turning plus milling plus automated production lines, drive product upgrading through innovation, and help China's intelligent manufacturing equipment industry reach new heights. On the road of precision engineering, we will move forward hand in hand with customers to embrace a new journey of intelligent manufacturing.